If you are a student, if you are a teacher, if you are a lecturer, if you are an aspiring data analyst or data scientist, if you are a researcher, whoever you are, you can apply for this particular internship if you want to learn data analytics from a leading company, Tata and KPMG. Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Dr. Gomati. In this video, I'm going to tell you two important leading companies where you can get internship. So this is the link where you can find the internship offer from Tata. Okay, so data visualization, empowering business with effective insights. You can register here and get the internship. So how the internship will be? This is a virtual experience program which is free for students. So if you want to get the free if you want to get understand like if you want to understand what is data analytics for free, you can just register here. This program is self-paced. It takes 3.5 to 4.5 hours to complete this virtual experience program. Okay, you will get experience of what is data analytics, data visualization. So you will be get practical. So you may think like, because since it is a virtual experience, whether you will get the practical experience as well. Yes, you will be getting the practical skills as well here through Tata company. Okay, so why you have to join? You can read this completely. You will be getting to know about what is data visualization and how you can use it. And if you want to know about more information, so you can send a mail to this particular person so that you can get the details about this internship. So this we call it as a micro internship. Okay, you can definitely use this particular link, this particular achievement in your resume, in your LinkedIn, in your CV, so everything. Okay, and you can do it in your own time, your preferred time, because you may sit for half an hour today and tomorrow you may not get any time, but you can complete it at any time. You don't want to visit that particular company in person, so you can do it online. And once you complete it, you will earn a certificate. You will be finally earning a certificate. Okay, so what you will learn, this is what a complete thing. You will be framing the business scenario, and you'll be choosing the right visuals for your graph. You'll be creating an effective visualization and communicating insights and analytics. So this is what a complete program is all about. How to register? You can click here, register now. Okay, it will ask you to prompt, either you can sign up with the email or else you can continue with the Google, that is a Gmail. You can click here. So it will show what are the relevant, what are the ID which is linked with. You can select the ID here. Okay, and here you can see, you can write it, what is your name. Fine, so you can write it here like okay, and whether you are in a high school, you are in a university or a college, or you are in a career. So if you are already there, then you can just select something, okay, career upskiller or whatever it may be. If you are university, your question will be different. You have to select the university from where you are learning. And if you are a school going student, even if you want to know about what is data visualization, you can do it in the high school. Okay, you can select the school whichever you are working. So you can just write more about it. How did you hear about this particular program? And you can just simply select it and then complete the registration. So since I cannot register in a school or even in a university, so I'm just going ahead with the in career and career upskiller. I'm just giving here. And how do you hear about us? You can select whatever you want, like you can select a company website. So if you click complete registration, it will just process. It will take you to the registration. Okay, it will show you what is the next level of this particular internship. Okay, so other than that, you will be having some basic questions. So here you can see in the left side, you can see various things: education, identity, socio-economic. So you have to complete all these things. Okay, so there will be some questions. What is your current level of study or your highest completed study? So what is your highest completed study? You can just select it. So you have to select based on your expertise and everything. Okay. What is your recent degree? When did you started? Everything they'll be asking you. Just to give next, like whatever the relevant data. You have to give the current data over there, and you can just select it and click next. Okay, how many years of full time work experience? Because since I have selected in career, so it is asking for the full time work experience. Okay, so you can simply select it. Which gender do you identify? So you can select it, and which racial or ethnic. So what you belongs to. So you can write it. Uh, okay, so do you identify as someone with disability? You can give like based on what are the questions they have asked. You can give. Okay, I went to a private school that required a fee tuition to attend. I did have financial aid that required a fee tuition. I didn't not have. Okay. Next, or your first generation university student? No. So based on this, your thing will be assessed. Okay. Do you identify as someone who has been disadvantaged in accessing their dream career or achievements? So you can give. Okay. So this is your identity. You can just give the identity. Welcome to this. Okay. So you will kickstart your journey. Just click get started. Okay, though in the home page they have mentioned that this is for students, even if you are new to data analytics, so you can give this. Okay, so you can simply give this and just go ahead with that. um, okay. Okay, you can just give enrolling you into the program. So I am already working, so anyhow I can get into this. Okay, this is completely for those who is aspiring to become. Okay, so you can simply click here and this skill would be okay. Next. Okay, next. Okay, so here they have given you with a clear task. Okay, video instruction, background information, task brief, task resource, and submit your work. So they'll be giving you the complete task here. Data set, they have given you the downloaded data set and how you can do all these steps. Everything is clearly mentioned here, and once you have submitted your response here, okay, they'll be assessing. Click to revisit them, update them. Okay, and finally you can go to the next task. Okay, so you can first you have to just understand what it is. They will be telling you what is the complete this particular task is all about. Okay, you are in the first level. This is a background information, unlock example answer, and you can just go to the next task. So there will be some few level of tasks will be there. You have to complete it and submit it. Okay, so this is for Tata. The same applicable for KPMG. If you want to know about data analytics, then you can go and register here for the KPMG. So how you have to enroll in KPMG virtual internship, start the task, get the video instruction, complete the task and upload the platform, and compare your work with KPMG model answers. So what are the things they will be covering? Data quality assessment, data insights and presentation. So this is for data analytics. Okay, so simply you can register here whatever I have done previously. No, they will be asking similar questions, but which are relevant to KPMG. Okay, so you can simply try here. So don't miss this excellent opportunity. You will be getting know about what is that, and you can add this into your resume, also in your LinkedIn platform as well. This will be your added advantage. Okay, so don't miss it. Anyhow, though they have mentioned like this is free for all students, even if you wanted to switch your career to something new, you can do that. You can definitely use this. Okay, this opportunity, you may be new to data analytics, you can definitely use this. Thank you, take care, bye bye.